Hey pack leaders, this is here, friends and I are protecting families but protecting the pack. I will give you guys a setup that I've kind of just thought about and is implementing right now. Now it's still in the testing phase, but I think it pretty much covers what I've been experiencing before. I noticed that sometimes like we don't cover both directions, bull and bear, and then we have one chasing it and then one's like stuck and whatever, and no one's playing in the middle or selling a loss and taking more leverage. So I kind of came out with this little setup here that you can try. We initially did bull 3x leverage. For this one, they can handle bigger swings, so we can set them to bear and bull so that we know that we have both directions covered. As long as it's going wide or dumping or pumping, whatever, these guys will catch it. Okay, and it can handle those swings. Now the 5x leverage, it has the ability to then switch between bull and bear. It gets liquidated within if it swings $2,000 whatever, then it'll probably get liquidated. But most likely at 5x leverage, it's very difficult to get leverage, especially when it's able to switch back and forth as needed. Okay, and then we also want to play an in between 10x. We need to also allow it to switch directions and take a loss if it needs to, because if it doesn't, it'll get liquidated very easily without switching. So that way, a higher leverage is more likely to get liquidated, but because it's able to switch, it won't get liquidated. So it'll take losses along the way, but you'll notice that you'll still stay in the game. And this has the ability to then go bull and bear only. Okay, so you can play with this percentage here. I use 33%. Always stay in profit. Never sell at a loss unless liquidated. Safety of 0.1. I let it tune the safety here, so sometimes it might be a little higher or lower, but at least as long as it's a dollar in profit, it'll sell if it needs to. Sometimes you might want to hold longer, and sometimes it does sell too early, but that's something you play with between like maybe 0.1 or 1.0. 1.0, 1% is a little high. 0.1 might be a little better, so it'll probably be minimum of $10 before it can sell. But it's up to you. Play with this here, but sometimes if you can't get out, it could get stuck. So I like to let it flow. So as long as it's opening and closing orders quickly, you could do it many times throughout the day. So that's where I left it at. So anyways, set up 5 bots. Okay, 1 to 2 to take top and bottom. 5x leverage to kind of play in the middle, and then let 10x to really play really in the middle, so that you're always playing something because it's always able to follow it. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Let me know how it goes. Talk to you then.